Yo, I mean, I'm not trying to shout, but we just keep spitting about this shit never written. Oh, and some people always sitting, but we just standing. All the time just standing, I mean, not standing shit. But we just gonna go and rip the mic, just burn it all day and night, yup. And you in my empire, call me sire. And to me, yep, I'm pretty fucking dire. To all you people trying to see my way, you're gonna end up driving in the highway, going 150. Better yet, you should go do stupid shit like me. Crash your Bentley into a tree, do stupid shit like build some shit, nigga low. I mean, I gotta go rip it solo.
Let him get it.
Let my nigga Rooster go. Oh,
Yeah. Two people through my window. Oh, this girl said she wants to get some endo. Oh, you know, say yo, I'm in yo. Yo, the girl said she wants to get some yo-yo. And I don't deal with it yo-yo. Oh, I deal with the ganja. Cause you know, so that's the only thing I'm smoking. Hey, you know, I've never been joking. Yo, she said she want this more than ever. She want this thing to know. And she tell me